All right. Well, hello, Brad, and we get to talk a little financial stuff here this afternoon on a beautiful day. Socially responsible investing. What is it? I've heard about this through my church group, and I'm all sorts of curious. Explain it to me.
Yeah, so pretty interesting topic over the last, I would say, 5 to 10 years. You know, I've been around a while, but it's been coming more and more to the top. And it used to be kind of put out the pasture that you know, you need to invest in all companies to do well and things like that. Well, there are companies out there now.
Even companies that you don't believe in.
Yeah. So, for instance, take like a Philip Morris or some type of company that makes
tobacco
or firearms or something. There's just some people that don't want to invest in those companies. And so there's been studies going on saying, okay, if you take out, just to pick on them, if you take out Philip Morris, what does that do to your portfolio? How is that going to work? And what some of the studies have shown is that actually performance can be okay, that you don't miss out a lot if you're going to be socially responsible. So, you know, this world's made up of all different types of people, and some people just don't want to invest in firearms or tobacco or, you know, stem cells and those type of things. So it's just important for people to understand that you can get access to that now, whether it's an exchange-traded fund or whether it's a mutual fund or some type of company, but we do have investments that we offer. If somebody walks in and says, hey, I want to take a look at this, we now have some track records and things like that. And
they've been around for long enough that you're not taking a gamble.
Right. Yep.
That's cool.
Yep. And I think what's really important for the person that's listening to this, if you're going down this road, take a look at what that, if it's socially responsible, make sure, let's say it's large company stocks. Then take a look at an index that's large company and just see how that's performed versus that index. And if it's not that far off and it's right within your religion views or whatever that is, and you want to be socially responsible, then go down that road. Just know it's an avenue. A lot of people don't even know what it is.
So is there one option or is there multiple options?
There's multiple options.
Okay.
You can say, hey, I'm okay with firearms. It's my right, but I don't want to be investing in abortion stuff or tobacco stuff. And so some of these companies will separate those things out, and you can check the box on what you want to include or what you want to exclude. You just want to pay attention to where does it line up with you morally.
Yeah.
And then where does it line up with your portfolio overall from a risk standpoint?
And then also your spouse.
Yes. Yeah.
Maybe start there, Brad.
Yeah.
Where does it line up with your spouse? And then where does it line up with you know, you guys together as a couple, and then do your investing?
Exactly. Absolutely bring your spouse in. But yeah, it's just one of those, it's been kind of they call it ESG. And or socially responsible investing. There's a bunch of buzzwords out there.
They call it ESG?
Yeah, and right now I can't on the top of my head tell you exactly what that stands for. But just know that those investments are available, and some people are appealed to, and some people say, it's fine, I'm just going to move on, and that's the majority. Sure. But anyway, I just want to let people know that it's out there, and just do your due diligence. But there are some good firms, and it's something that you're passionate about. It might be something that works out.
And it's also cool, like if somebody has this gut reaction to, hey, I don't want to invest. A lot of people don't even know that this vehicle exists.
Right.
I mean, that's like the biggest thing. And it's a new idea for a lot of people.
In today's society, we're so polarized, right, on this, you know, Republican, Democrat. You don't even want to talk politics with people because it's so polarizing. But in today's society where people are polarized, there might be people that say, no, I don't want to invest in that kind of like industry.
That's not me.
Yeah, it's not me. So if I can check a box and get rid of it, I'm going to check the box and get rid of it. And I'm going to move on down the road and sleep at night knowing that I'm investing in what I believe in. And so that these products have been born and they're here, and you should take a look at them if that's something that somebody's interested in.
Cool. Yeah. Well, thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.
All right. Thanks, Matt.